Hello everybody, Elite AMD Gamer here, and today we will be continuing our adventures in Software Inc., I guess you could say. When we left off last time, we basically had this little box here, and we had just made, I think, roughly $1 million since we're in US dollars. And today what we're going to do is basically remake and build the office. I'm thinking I'm going to time-lapse it, but don't quote me on that. I'm just starting out. But yeah. And I basically had sent everybody off to go to education. This is basically making nothing right now. Let's see what happens. Actually, no. Let's just start building. Let's get rid of all of this. It's been a little bit since hang on. I can get rid of these hints because they are absolutely driving me nuts. Options. Tutorials? Nope. Gameplay. Where's hints? There we go. Turn them off because they are driving me absolutely nuts. Alright, here we go. Although they would probably be helpful sometimes since I kind of forgot the keys I had set up. So, yeah, let's, get rid of everything here. Alright, there we go. Sorry, I had to check out the keys I had set. I completely forgot what I was doing. Alright, let's get something built here. Something pretty basic. I'm not really sure what I specifically want. I don't want to spend too much money on it, but I do want to spend a little. So what we're going to do is expand a little bit. And we spend around, there we go. That'll give us just enough room to build something pretty colossal. And we'll hopefully buy some of this land over here when we're done and make a parking lot. But for right now, let's build a huge building for no reason, because that's what I'm feeling. I'm gonna go basically like this. I know it's just a giant box, but bear with me. It's something that I worked on when I was playing the main game last time, although I didn't have this huge skyscraper, so it's gonna be kind of opposite. And I actually made it a little bit bigger. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab, where is it? Here we go. This tool. And we're gonna half the grid. No, not at the start here. We're gonna go in by, I think, that much. How many are we in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, we'll go here. We'll go in. I didn't really pay attention to see how big I made this thing. There's 10. That's not big enough. Let's how big is this thing actually? 26. That's terrible. Let's get rid of this and make it even so it's easier to build with, which it won't sit flush with the land, but I'm completely okay with that. But yeah, let's move over here. 24, 25. There we go. I'm not one that, usually makes stuff pretty even, but this time I kind of want to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. We're going. Are we just gonna go in 1? We'll go in 2. No, that's pretty dramatic. And then we will go for 5 and go to. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're gonna go there. All right. And over here. We're going to, can I delete this part? There we go. And that's still not even. I did not count that out right. But, you know what? No, I don't like it. I don't like that at all. Yeah, we're gonna go over here. Like that. Like that again. Alright, I have no idea why I was not able to do that quickly. But yeah, basically, here's like the foundation that I want to set up. Just something simple that, kind of has a little bit of an edge to it, corners on it. Nothing too crazy. And eventually, maybe like over here somewhere, we'll get like a building for like a marketing team specifically. Just because I think it'd be kind of cool to have them like kind of offshoot from the main company. But yeah, we're going to clone this now, and we're going to just kind of stack it up. I'm thinking about 4 stories just for future. But let's build the interior first and see how we go. So basically, since we'll have a fence here, at the entrance, which probably won't line up as well as I want it to. But this is 11, so we'll just go right where this sign is. Oops. And where is the gate? Arch gate. We're gonna go with an open gate. Oops. All right. There we go. Click on this. We're going to change this up. The floor will just be floor. Actually, change it up. Do something like that. But we're gonna change the color over here in a little bit. And apply. All right, we'll change the color of that as soon as we get this, the rest of this done. So let's figure out what we're gonna do. Like, I'm pretty sure what I want essentially is like a room specifically over here where like the elevators and everything are, and the reception up front here, of course, and it just kind of leads to kind of like an open space with like the head's office like over in the corner here, and like the main like programming team on one side and a little bit over on this side. So hopefully we can make something like that. I kind of have a plan in my head of what I want it to look like, but it may not turn out that way. So yeah, let's start here and go. That's a bit too big for reception. Start here, go here, and is that even? Oh wow, it is. Cool. There's that. That'll be the reception area. I know it's not that big, but it'll be big enough for, I'm hoping, what we need to get done. And let's do the elevator area as well. And it'll just be a small little box over here. Is that even? I'm not really counting what's that. I'm just kind of winging it. So please bear with me. And no, it is not even at all. Let's get rid of that. Ah, jeez, and it did not work like I wanted it to. Let's get this wall back in, and I'm probably gonna time lapse the rest of this just because I'm not super fast at this yet. I think I don't have as much experience as I would like, and yeah, let's do that, and I'll see you guys hopefully after the time lapse, or if I just jump cut ahead. I'm not really sure. It just depends on how this goes. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. So I have a basic layout here, guys, of kind of what I want. Basically just something like this. But I mean, I'm gonna have a lounge, I think. Well, the lounge is over here, I guess, for this floor. And then I'm gonna have like the artist programmer team, depending on whatever I want for there. But I mean, I'm not really expanding the team as of yet. So I mean, this will basically be the main floor for us for now until we, start to expand quite a bit. And right over here, we have the marketing department's room, which will eventually be changed over to like the artists or programmers or just something. We're gonna change it later. I know it's not much to look at now, but what we're gonna do is outfit the inside of it with desks and everything, and then I will be right back. And yeah, see you there. Okay, we're back. Not too much has changed. I basically just did a little housekeeping or tidying up. Although these ones came out a little bit weird based on the size of this room. When I originally made this like style building, it was actually, you know, probably this whole size instead of like this. So we are a bit smaller, but yeah, I did forget to put in the elevators, but I will do that here really quickly if it will allow me to. Actually, so messing around with it. There we go. But yeah, basically, you know, I just set it up as a not really a temporary solution. Like, I kind of want this to be the final, like, style. I wish this was lined up more, but yeah, I guess it happens. But basically, I designed it this way so, like, if I do, when I go to the following up floors, I'm gonna make like a large canteen instead of this reception area, and I can downsize this room a little bit or whatever because I don't need this here. But I mean, it's just in case. Have that there. Put in a couple of bathrooms as I forgot to do it. And I have this office here. I know it's not that big. It doesn't like allow that much. I'm basically setting this up for my current team as it is. And then later on, like when we expand, you know, our teams, it'll, you know, house more people if I, you know, line it up in such a way that it's you know, decent. And we can make use of the rest of the space. I mean, it doesn't have to be a layout similar to this, but this is what I will use for, you know, kind of right now. But yeah, let's clone all of this. Let's get out of that. Let's select everything if possible. Where is select entire building? There we go. We're gonna clone this. Yes, yes, yes. Wow, actually, let's select entire building other than that. All right, let's yeah, hit clone here, clone tool. Yeah. There we go. We'll go up a level, and we're gonna hit shift. With that, we're gonna go up one more level. Actually, we'll probably go up two, because one of them I'm gonna make into just a giant meeting room, like I did before. And okay, so that's what, 4 stories? Yeah, 4 stories. We'll put in a basement server room. But yeah, there's basically our new building in all its bizarre glory. And now I'm gonna go and put on the, let's get a clone real quick. Stop cloning. Let's go up one level here and put in like a giant air conditioner unit, because that's just what we do. And let's go up, 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 if I can remember the keys for it. I'm just gonna do a giant one, because glass just tends to make a huge amount of heat unnecessarily. So we're just gonna do that. It'll just be an unnecessarily large air conditioning unit space. So let's, I really wish, I don't know what key it is that shows the elevator anymore, because you kind of, like, I guess you have to guess. But yeah, there we go. Got those in. And we'll need, I don't need any windows up here. I'm not gonna do any servicing or anything like that. I guess I will put in one window to it, so it has a little bit of its own light. Actually, no, I won't, because I want all the space for air conditioners and I guess for now boilers, because I really don't want to set up too much of a basement area, because it's still the 80s or 70s. It's not that, I think it's actually the 80s. So it's not that, you know, early on. Put in a couple of these units here. I'm running dangerously low on money. All that expansion up cost me quite a bit. So we're definitely going to have to make something and get something going. Sorry about that. But we're definitely going to have to, you know, I'm not sure, make an audio tool or visual software. Whatever we haven't made in a little bit is what we'll be working on. I think this will be good enough for this building, hopefully. And where are there are these lights? Here we go. It's not accessible from the outside. Does it need to be? Or are those not in the right place? The elevators may be in the wrong spot. So let me check. Okay. Do you go all the way down now? Yeah, you do. Okay, well, I don't know what your deal is. I guess that's how you make them show the light if they do that, which is kind of unfortunate because, I don't know. I wish there was a button for it. Okay. Let's see here. This room is not accessible from the outside. Please connect it using doors or stairs. Already done. Okay. So it's basically like that. We're gonna choose a default color. Can I select the entire building one more time for the entire thing real quick? And then as we add floors, we will change the color and layout. So we will, the exterior, actually we should, instead of changing this right away, we should change the construction. Actually, I kind of like what it is. Interior though, we'll do this stuff. Just, see how it goes. If I get any comments about it that people don't like it, I'll get rid of it. I don't like those. No way. Just do tile, I guess. It's just small tile, large tile. It's more, I guess, business-like. And God, I hate blooming. But yeah, let's get these colors here. Room colors. Let's do exterior. Exterior will be there's not really a lot of exterior pieces, to be quite honest. I guess there's just this over here by the bathrooms. So the building, I guess, could be colored like a darker, maybe almost a black color. Which is terrible for heat, I know. Very terrible for cooling, I know. Whoa. Pausing. Unnecessary. Well, good to know. The temperature regulators cannot handle it. The interior, we will make it kind of that like bluish color we had before, if possible. Just like a dark one. Actually, I don't like it at all. Maybe something like that will be not hideous. The floor, I don't know, a good color for tile flooring. It's almost like a brownish color, so it's kind of like up there, but we want it kind of basically whitish. There we go. That should work, actually. We shouldn't need too much more than what we have here. Although I do have to go to the top floor and put in some more AC units and a boiler, because that is a big concern. So let's put some more of these in. Hopefully not go bankrupt in the process. And we should actually buy a little land if possible. And I missed a spot there. Oh well. I'll fix it later. But yeah, and let's get some spots for parking. I don't think we need too many, but it'd just be kind of nice to have some. And I do wish there was a bigger, AC unit you could get other than these. Okay, that's weird. Let's get some. I guess I have lighting in here. Boilers, actually. There we go. Or, I don't know, what would you call these? Giant industrial-sized water heaters? Something like that. I know they're not spaced out well, but, I mean, it'll have to do. And hopefully that should be good enough. I mean, you can't possibly need any more than that. But, yeah. Oh, wow. There are doors on every floor. Oh, well. We will change those so people don't, get any poor ideas. All right, there we go. Let's start this game off. Let me make sure I dedicate this room to marketing. I didn't do it before, so it wouldn't, copy up during, I guess that process. Let's toggle. Where is it? I don't want lamps on because they're gonna drive me nuts. Room labels. So basically, I only have this stuff kind of what do you call it? Announced or marked. So yeah, let's get out of build mode and start the game up again. I'm pretty sure everybody's actually away at education. So the only one here, I guess, is this guy. And who are you? You are, oh, you're me. Oh, so we're gonna go dedicate this stuff to you over here, just because you're the leader, and yeah. Oh, it's because you're assigned to any role. My mistake. Let's change your role real quick before I forget. Any job? Pretty sure I hired other people. Let's change your role. Lead. There we go. Pretty sure I hired a marketer. At least I thought I did. I could have swore I hired somebody. Manage teams. Okay. Apparently I didn't. I thought I hired a person at the end of the last game. But apparently I did not. So yeah, let's get on that. I swear I did, but I guess that's the thing. We're hiring a marketer, and yeah, we turn all this up. Cost. Turn that up. Turn the cost all the way up, and begin looking. And I want basically the youngest person, because we're sending them to education anyway. You're 26 and you're 77% good. Compatibility, you're normal. You're not going to core, but you're a snob, so I don't know how well it'll work out with other people. Innovative and optimistic. You're only 48%, but you know what? You're hired. Good for you. Welcome aboard. And next, I guess myself, I will send myself. Have I been to education? Do I have HR management? Oh, I do have HR management. Okay. So we're going to send myself. I don't actually need project management, but while we're doing this, I'm going to send myself to education for 3 months. We're going to go for artist. Oh yeah, no. Definitely an artist, and definitely 3D, because I know I will be lacking in that skill. So tomorrow I will be going off to that. Tomorrow I'll be getting the marketer. We're actually going to send the marketer, before I forget, we're going to change your role. We're going to change you to lead. We're going to also send you to education, and we're going to give you HR management, and we're going to start education. Myself, I'm going to set myself to hire. Actually, I'm in the wrong spot. Get out of that window. Let's go over here to not hire employees. Manage teams. All right, we're gonna expand this window here. We're gonna go to automation. And as soon as I get back, we are going to automate HR management. We're gonna do it for 5 desks, so we can start on our next application. I'm gonna set the budget to 300,000. Force roll. We're gonna do. I only want 6. So we're gonna go 2, 4. 6. There we go. And yeah, there we go. Preferred range, we want them to be as young as possible, if anything. Education, we turn that up. I don't actually know what the other one does at all. So yeah, it's enabled. It's probably gotten on top of that. And yeah, it'll be good. Eventually we'll have 2 marketing teams, so they'll be marketing basically around the clock, even when people are out for vacation, if I can remember. And yeah, so there's our first team. Let's speed time up so we can move along here. I don't know why I had it going so slow. Let's see, how much did we make today on it? Only 96,000, basically. You can barely read it there. Actually set quite a bit of ways. Got our new employees in. We're basically gonna start a new game. Not a new game, because it is 1983 and games are kind of probably awful. What is this? This is Paint. We're gonna make then an audio tool. We're gonna call it, oh god, I should have actually written down some names. I did check. I actually don't think I got any good suggestions or any suggestions. So we are going to call it, god, what's it call it? I need something with Pro Tools. Oh, caps lock. There we go. It's a combination of Pro Tools and Fruity Loops, FL Studio. And yeah, let's make this an original IP. We're going to add our operating system, which is, what is the, I guess these are outstanding quality. Active users, absolutely nobody. That's why. Okay. What else do we have here? That's it. Okay, so let's go to active users, and we're just gonna maximize this. So it's gonna be going, we're gonna put this on pin 5, and we're gonna put it on the X5. Those are both from 81 and 81. So yeah, these are both recent enough for us. We should get all the features that we need. 2D editor, we're gonna choose our 2D editor, Paint, of course, because it's outstanding and made it ourselves, so why not? And I can't actually do anything. So if I get rid of, what is the newest OS that we have here to get these features? This one came out in 82. Bot 5. You might be worth it. So let's add you. Let's get rid of Pen 5. Pen 5 because it came out earlier. Do we get it? We don't get it yet. Let's see. X5. None of these have 8-bit audio. Wow. Okay. Well, then it's just going to go on all of this that we had chosen. So yeah, there we go. We're going to see what is everybody else charging for it, basically. And yeah, let's see here. Where is all software? We're going to Audio Tools, and Audio Tool, and we're basically going to see what are they charging for ones that made a profit. That is, you charged $90. You charged all of that. Okay. So yeah, we'll charge for ours, which, since we don't have 8-bit audio, we're gonna charge $80. Oops. There we go. $80, 80. All right, let's get started on that. That's core. We should probably get a server or two going. We're not gonna start that. Our marketing guy is not in yet, apparently. Is he still at education? Where are you at? I'm in the wrong menu altogether. I don't know what I'm doing there. Alright, alright, what's your, I guess. Okay. Where is my marketing guy? I guess he's at education. So I hope he is. In class, okay. There we go. So when he gets back, we'll switch over the marketing to him. We'll get him to hire his own team. Actually, can we automate it yet? I don't think we can. Because I'm hoping that, can we do automation for this? Nope. Well, we're only gonna get in, hopefully this the setting stays. Get in 3, basically, so we have 4 for age young, education there. And yeah, we'll do all that later. So yeah, let's speed this up. Hopefully get some people in. Maybe get some cleaning, manage staff. We're gonna hire cleaning, have them come in at 10. We're gonna hire reception, have them come in at 10. We'll have them come in at 9, just because of reception. And we're gonna hire IT to come in at 6. And maintenance to come in at 6 as well. Hopefully we're not getting ahead of ourselves. We won't go bankrupt, which is always a possibility. But yeah, hopefully they get to work on that. Don't know why I'm going up. Here we go. Who are you? You're an artist. Okay, that's why you're doing absolutely nothing. Where's my character at? Whom I always forget. Not here. So it's basically just the employees running the company, as we can see. I don't know how that's going to turn out, but let's hope it turns out well. Let's speed this up. I should have called it Fruity Tools. I don't know why I didn't. Fruity Tools. That's a terrible name. Hopefully we'll fix it next time. Actually, we can change the name, can't we? There we go. I don't know if that'll help or make it any better. But yeah, I should also get some parking, actually. Something I forgot to do. Let's pull this out here. And let's get some parking in. Horizontal. There. It's not much, but it's enough. I guess it's enough for now. Alright, let's get a build mode. Wish there was like an easier key for that. Probably is. But let's get this going. Cleaning today. We're losing money fast. This is basically making nothing anymore. I should probably put a little bit into the rainy day fund, as I like to call it, because right now there's nothing in there. Let's put 200,000 in there. So just we have, a little bit if all goes wrong. Probably something I should have done right away when we got the first million, but I kind of got a bit presumptuous about myself. And, it happens. In class, okay. They're still in class. Probably till, I guess, tomorrow or next month, depending on how you want to think about it. Develop. Cool. I'm going to start marketing that. Start campaign. Start hyping it. Is a marketer in yet? No. Am I in yet? Too many teams in one room. There's one team in one room. There are cubicles-ish. You can sit wherever they want. You can deal with it for all I care. And yes, I'm back. Where's our marketer? Okay. Where are you? Okay. You should be signed to the marketing room, I guess. Let's assign this stuff to you. Why is he not allowed in this room? Okay, let's figure this out. Why is he not allowed in this room? Limit usage to marketing. Let's Oh, my mistake. Dyslexia, really bad, really apparent there. I'm betting you guys were yelling at the screen. I apologize. Okay, now let's do this. Let's get this marketing guy to hire us a couple marketers, and then we should be good to go on basically everything. We just have to finish up this game, and that'll probably be the last thing we do today. And yeah, let's give them a budget of 10 grand then. And we're gonna force the roll. And yeah, okay, let's get on that. Cool. I wish there was like an OK button there that just made you feel a little bit more like accomplished that it's working. Like I know it is, but just one of those things. Speed it up. Hopefully he gets on that and gets us, there we go. 4, we're all set. And we're gonna assign this to marketing as well. And we'll eventually switch this off. Switch this to that. I just want to basically get this done until we get the employees in, which looks like we have them in. So yeah, let's just earning anything. It's earned us 32 grand. Well, it's gone. let's get out Fruity Tools. Let's see what happens next. Hopefully we make some money. If we don't, it's going to be quite dangerous. We may have to fire everybody and just go back to 1. And maybe take some side jobs. Let's see, any deals so far? That's why you get the reception in. No deal so far. It's kind of rude. There we go. We got a deal. What's it about? Support for an audio tool. Pay per day. No. All right. Yep, I know we're heading for bankruptcy. So before we do, I'm going to add in a room down below here, which I mean, I know I shouldn't be doing. Whoa. What is going on? Okay. Oh, it's because I'm not building. Okay. I was really confused there. Actually kind of worried. I'm gonna build a small server room. It's like probably like this. 15 grand. Pretty expensive actually. Let's where is our elevator? It's there. Oh crap. Okay. Let's go there. Make sure. Okay. Good to go. All right, let's put some servers in here and some aircon in here as well. Let's go down to server, or here, furnish, server. Put some of these in. There we go. And we're still at this year, so we need some tables, which should be in the server area, but for some reason they're not. We're gonna probably change the server room up, because I kind of want a dedicated one. But yeah, we'll deal with that when it comes. Toggle lamps, probably in a bad spot. We'll move them when we need to. Let's get reception, not reception. There we go. I just need some desks. But yeah, let's get in a nice assortment of them here. And I don't want to put in too many because once it's the 90s, we'll upgrade to 1990s. Yeah, we'll upgrade to those. These are an 85. What year is it now? Let's see. It is 84. So let's just wait. Let's put 1 in for now, and we will go from there. Just because I don't want to, have to go back in and do it. We'll do 2. There we go. And link them together. Cool. Now the team upstairs can, work a bit better. I don't know if they need it technically for this stage of the process, but let's get out of build mode. Let's go over here to servers. Let's call it start because we're gonna delete it soon anyway. Rename. We're gonna get that. So let's can I assign it? There we go. Such a nice feature there that you can sign into the server a bit later. Yeah, let's see what happens. How much the load is. Load actually isn't that bad. No one's here though, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. Hopefully we can stay afloat. How much are we losing a day? We're losing 87,000, basically 88,000. So not good, but hopefully we can survive. I do know we have a little bit of money in insurance if we need it. I know the employees do not like if you pull it out, but yeah. I'm sorry this episode's gone on a bit longer. It's basically a building episode, so I didn't want to cut it too close. This is great, but let's hope we can get that to outstanding because it's the quality of games we put out. Or not games, applications. There we go. And promote. And beta. And let's wait for the hyping to get done. Hopefully it finishes. We will assign core to this as well, which they are. And marketing is assigned to it as well, which maybe we should just get some more marketers in. But yeah, let's yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, it's functioning. I'm actually surprised how well this is it's functioning. Okay, we actually have to release this today. I just noticed how broke we are. So let's release it and hopefully we make some money off of it because if we don't, we're in trouble. And just to be safe, I know the employees won't like it. And we're gonna withdraw just enough to get by. Probably 50 grand. Just to survive. Just in case we need to. see. Hopefully he makes a lot of it, or a lot of money on it today. Whoa. Why is it only them marketing it? Okay. That was a mistake on my part. With very little marketing, how well did it do? Oh god. I guess 100 and some thousand. I guess that's okay. Let's get started on the next piece of software. But I think we're gonna save that for the next video, which will hopefully be back to whatever timing I kind of want it to have. This is a bit longer because we put this together. But yeah, this is the new building. Got some parking, server room upstairs. We're gonna put a meeting room in, probably on this floor. We're just gonna delete everything that's here and put a giant meeting table, basically across the whole thing. And yeah, we'll look to have their meetings there. But until next time, guys, gals, I guess I will see you all next time.